Rush!
Ngayong spectacular season na ilalabas talaga ang pagka-mischievous natin.
Ay, you bet!
Meet ko yung idol ko talaga, yung previous ST president, si Ate Kirsten. He taught me about this thing called servant leadership, in which we put constituents first before ourselves. Kasi yun naman talaga yung purpose ng leaders today, especially student leaders.
It's been established naman na food safety prevents us from getting sick. Pero for you guys naman who love to cook, sometimes you give food to your friends. Parang sila yan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I did, but they don't accept kasi
Kasi luto mo. Ay!
Ako, genuinely, naiisip ko pa din yung childhood ko na wala akong dito, walang programa, wala kang isipin gastos, wala kang isipin problema, etc. Na ano yun, the innocence of growing up, the innocence of a child, no, yun yung totally namin wala kang gagawin, kundi pagpakapil sa buhay, mag-petits lang, no? Tapos eventually, tatanda ka daw, tatanda ka rin na ma-realize mo yung reality ng buhay na ang dami palang problema kailangan mong harapin. You need to be adult or you need to man up.